something on fire here. Oh, definitely something on fire. Just under my kid. There's a boat on fire, maybe. Hopefully, we can get a good look at her. Holy shit! Huge fire over here in Surrey. Something's on fire down at the docks. We got ourselves a huge blaze going down on Tannery Road down by the docks. I don't know what's on fire. I think it's that mill that they're dismantling. Like caught on fire. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what they're doing. Wow.
Yeah, that's some crazy black smoke, man. Holy fuck. There's gotta be damn near 24 fire trucks on scene right now, too. Yeah, I'm going up to the Golden Ears Bridge northbound. I can see it to my left here in the west.
I'm on the perimeter road, driving by it right now, right past Annieville. It's that old Primex sawmill that they're dismantling there, I guess,